Roseanne here. Welcome back to the channel. So today's video is super exciting to me. I've never done a video like this before, but you're gonna see a before and after today. Woohoo! For Christmas this year, Steve got me, this is just one of the gifts that he got for me. He got me some super cool, well, I hope they're going to be super cool. I haven't tried them on yet. Super cool leggings from We the People Holsters. They are called the Defender Tactical Leggings. And I'm going to open the box and just kind of show you. So this is how they came wrapped. They were in a plastic bag inside the box, but I took them out already and checked them out at least. So what makes them tactical leggings? This is what they look like. Okay. They have this cool little up in there. And this, super cool. They have some pockets. And these pockets are, I can't really describe. It almost feels like thick material right there. Like, I don't know, we're gonna see if I can actually put my pistol in there. I didn't think that I could, but based on this material, I might actually be able to. But it's got the belt loops also, so I can put my belt with it. And yeah, so I'm gonna try these on. But before I do, I wanna just kind of give a comparison because check this out. So this is what I usually wear. So if you aren't aware of this, because I'm putting this video on two channels, I'm putting it on my Roseanne Cunningham channel and I'm putting it on Life, Liberty, and Adventures. So if you're watching this on Life, Liberty, and Adventures and you don't know anything about my Roseanne Cunningham channel, the reason I have my Roseanne Cunningham channel is because I am a nutrition and fitness coach and I help women lose weight and keep it off for good. I do some personal training as part of my business, and I also do a program called Weight Loss for Life, which is a 100% virtual program. And so I can work with women all over the nation. But I typically tend to wear leggings a lot during the day, during the week while I'm working. And I like to carry my pistol. And my clients are used to seeing me in some form or fashion. They're used to showing up and seeing me with my pistol in an open carry scenario. Thankfully, they're understanding to it. They're not afraid of it. They know that I'm responsible with it and that I'm not going to hurt them, that it is for, it's there for protection and self-defense, and I like to carry. So they're cool with it. But it's not always easy when you're wearing exercise clothes, or even if I'm wearing jeans and my belt, it's not always easy to demonstrate exercises that I want them to do when I'm carrying. And it's not always easy to carry when I'm wearing exercise clothes. So that's why I kind of wanted to try out these tactical leggings to see how they would work. And if I like them, I might have to get a pair for the range and for other, fun things that I like to do for going hiking and things like that. So these are the regular exercise pants that I would normally wear. And they're just, I think I got these from, they're Victoria's Sport, Victoria's Secret. And they're nice exercise pants. They're nice leggings. They have the pocket in them, and they're pretty snug fitting, but no belt, no place to really safely put my pistol. I do carry a pocket knife as well, and I can put the pocket knife on them, but Yeah, so we'll see. We'll see how this goes. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these on, and then I'll show you what they look like. Oh my gosh, you guys, I totally love these. They are so soft and just amazing. I'm just loading up the belt right now. Oh my goodness. And by the way, this t-shirt is from Grunt Style. Grunt Style is one of my favorite places to buy shirts from. So my hands can go down in the pockets. And I can take my knife and put it right there on that. Oh, that's the thick part. Right there, that's the thick part. So that's actually perfect. Putting my knife there. And then of course, I can take my pistol. I could load it. I'm loving it. I know you don't have the best angle here. I'm just gonna push this back a ways. I absolutely love these. Totally love them. Now, I want to try so I don't want to do that side obviously because I'm right-handed. No. In a pinch, yeah, but no. I like being holstered. To me, that is safer. I mean, I guess, yeah, I could. If I wanted to set it there, I could. I also have a holster that attaches to the back of my belt. I don't have it in here, but obviously I could put that right there as well. And that would be a nice place to put it. But I do like to carry in the front a little bit more. So yeah, I am digging these pants. So a big thank you to my boyfriend Steve for the awesome Christmas gift. I love them. They are awesome. I absolutely love them. Just to give some more details about these leggings, it says they are double-sided brushed material for softness and comfort. Moisture management technology keeps skin dry and cool. Handmade in the USA for extreme durability. Woohoo for yes, being made in the USA. Partially lined, heavy-duty ballistic nylon pockets, that's what these are. Deep, tight, and secure to carry all your everyday carry items. Thick yet comfortable, four-way stretch material ensures your ass won't show through. And that is wethepeopleholsters.com. So definitely check them out. Get a pair for yourself. I can't remember the price on these. I want to say they were around, when I saw them, I think they were around $79 for a pair of them, but I could be wrong on that. I'm just going off of memory. But they are super cool, very, very comfortable. I can definitely see myself wearing these a lot in the work that I do, in my work and in my play time. I can see myself wearing these a lot. So yeah, very, very nice pants. I love that they have these little patches on them of what appears to be an AR-15, but it actually doesn't. It's, I don't know what it's, oh, it says we the people on it. So cool. It says we the people on it. Made out of into a rifle. And then of course the flag. So yeah, love these pants. Love them, love them, love them. I can't wait to get another pair. I got to see if they come in other colors or anything. Not that I don't know that I would wear them in another color. I really like the black. Maybe if they had like gray or brown, that would be good too for, you know, my tactical adventures. So yeah, super cool. Super cool. All right, guys, that's it. That's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. All right, have a great day. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think of these pants, all right? We'll talk to y'all next time. See ya.